Hello students, as earlier we have already seen that lesson number 11 Yasya Jananam Tasya Maranam, that part 1 we have already seen that two characters were there, that Vittadasa and Puttanatha. One is greedy and one is fraud, and they both are talking with each other that Puttanath, how the Puttanath cheat this Vittadas, greedy Vittadas. Now today we'll see the next part of this lesson, and it is given in page number 49. Now we'll start this. Vyatiteshu katipayeshu. Vyatiteshu means some past some days. Katipayeshu means when the some days passed. Kuttanatha punarapi. Kuttanatha punarapi. Punarapi means again. Vittadasam patrartha prathayat. Prathayat means request, means when the some days passed. After that again the Puttanath has requested to Vittadasa. Now here the meaning of Vyatitesu katipayeshu means when some days passed. Vyatiteshu kati payeshu means when some days passed, when some days passed, then the word prathayat means requested. Prathayat it means requested. Again, प्रदत्तेभ्यः पात्रेभ्यः अपि अधिकानां पात्राणां लाभो भविष्यति. प्रदत्तेभ्यः पात्रेभ्यः means earlier that Vittadas has given whatever utensils the Vittadas has given, that utensils that he is thinking about that. अधिकानाम अपि अधिकानाम मतलब उसमें उसने और भी जो स्मॉल न्यू यूटेंसिल्स मिला के दिए थे. लाभो भविष्यति means that earlier I have given the utensils to Puttanatha, then I will get some more utensils. So now again if I will give you, that if I will give him, so again I will get more. So like this greedy thinking of Vittadasa, that Vittadas gave the utensils to the Puttanatha. Now what will happen again, that we'll see. Iti durmatya. Durmatya means greedy thinking, bad thinking. Prerito Vittadasa tasmai sarvani ishtani patrani dattavana. Dattavana means to give. Sarvani means all, means whatever he desired. Ishtani patrani. Ishtani patrani means whatever the Puttanath needed, that utensils that the Vittadas is given to Puttanatha. Here the word durmatya. Durmatya means bad thinking, greedy thinking. And the word dattavana. Dattavana means to give. And the word ishtani patrani. Ishtani patrani means needed utensils. So durmatya. So the word durmatya. Durmatya. Bad thought. Bad thought. Dattavana. Dattavana means to give. Ishtani patrani. Ishtani patrani. Ishtani patrani means needed utensils. Needed utensils. So now again the Vittadas gave needed utensils. Now Vyatite api ek maase means after 1 month, that when the 1 month passed, जब 1 महीना हो चुका उसके बाद 1 month has already passed. Yada when Puttanatha Patrani na pratyarpitvan. Again we have already seen pratyarpitvan मीन्स नॉट रिटर्न, डिड नॉट रिटर्न, मतलब 1 महीना हो गया तब भी कूटनाथ ने उसके जो यूटेंसिल्स थे वो वापस नहीं किए. ही डिड नॉट रिटर्न. तदा देन चिंतम आपन्नः. चिंतम आपन्नः मीन्स वरीड वित्तदास कूटनाथ गृहं गत्वा. ही इज गोइंग टू दैट कूटनाथ home. Gatva means to go. Swakiyani. Swa means on. His own utensils. Patrani ayachata means he is asking for his own utensils to Kutnath. Kutnath sashokam kathaya akathaya. Sashokam means in dejection. मतलब वो एकदम सैड होके बोलने लगा. भवतः सर्वाणि पात्राणि मृतानि मीन्स ऑल योर यूटेंसिल्स डाइड. मतलब तुमने जो यूटेंसिल्स दिए थे वो मर चुके. ऑल योर यूटेंसिल्स डाइड. नाउ हियर द वर्ड सशोकम मीन्स डिजेक्शन. सशोकम. सो dejection means very sad. Vittadasa kopavishta. Kopavishta means very angrily. Kopavishta means angrily. Son akathayat means being angered that the Vittadas says to the Kutnath akathayat. Evam katham bhavet. How this thing will happen? Bho vajjakah. Vajjakah means cheater. These words we have already seen earlier. Tvam mithya vadasi. Mithya means lie. You are saying lie. मतलब ओ cheater, you are a cheater. You are telling me lie. तुम मुझे झूठ बोल रहे हो. निर्जीवानां पात्राणां मरणं कथं संभवति. निर्जीवानां पात्राणां means that the inanimate utensils how it possible to die. मतलब वो कैसे पॉसिबल है क्योंकि ये तो निर्जीव inanimate thing है. तो how it's possible to die. So here the word kopavishta. Kopavishta means angry. निर्जीवाना. निर्जीवाना means inanimate. Inanimate मतलब निर्जीव. कूटनाथ धैर्यम अवलंब्य. धैर्यम अवलंब्य means very पेशेंटली मतलब थोड़ा शांत स्वभाव से. शांत वचसा इन अ पीसफुल वॉइस. मतलब कूटनाथ जो है उसने एकदम शांति से आंसर दिया. वो एंग्री हो गया वित्तदास. देन ऑल्सो दैट कूटनाथ इज वेरी पेशेंटली एंड वेरी इन अ पीसफुल वॉइस अवदत् सेज महोदय ओ जेंटलमैन यदि पात्राणां जन्म भवति इफ द यूटेंसिल्स विल बॉर्न तर्हि तेषां मरणम अपि भवति. इफ इट विल बॉर्न मतलब उसका जन्म हो सकता है तो उसका मृत्यु भी हो सकता है. नाउ हियर द वर्ड धैर्यम अवलंब्य. हियर द संधि इज देयर. धैर्यम अवलंब्य मीन्स धैर्यम प्लस अवलंब्य एंड शांत वचसा. नाउ फर्स्ट वी सी द वर्ड मिथ्या. Mithya means lie. Kopavishta means angry. Lie. Dhairyam avlambya patiently. Santavachsa means in a peaceful voice. Now the Kutnath says if the born is possible so that death is also possible. Kutnath dhairyam avlambya. That we have seen that dhairyam plus avlambya sandhi is there. यदि पात्राणां जन्म भवति तर्हि तेषां मरणमपि भवति. पूर्व जातानि पात्राणि भवतः गृहे विलसन्ति. जातानि. जातानि means born, produce means whatever the utensils born that. भवतः गृहे विलसन्ति मतलब जिसका जन्म हुआ था वो यूटेंसिल्स. विलसन्ति. विलसन्ति means लुक ब्यूटीफुल मीन्स इट अ ग्लिटरिंग मतलब तुम्हारे घर पे वो शोभ रहे मतलब शोभायमान है. इट्स लुक लाइक अ ब्यूटीफुल. यानी पात्राणि, that utensils, bhavat api dattani, that whatever the utensils you have given to me, tani, that mama gruhe mrutani, it will die at my home. Atra aham kim kartu samarthah, now what I will do now, अब मैं क्या करूं, क्योंकि whatever the new utensils I have already given to you and it's look beautiful at your home and that you have again returned to me, that it will die at my home. Now what I will do in this matter? Now again one shlok is there. Janma bhavati patrana means the utensils whatever is born. Marane shanshaya katham, now what is doubt in their death? Jagati yat samutpana nashyati sarvatha dhruvam, means in this world that whatever is produced is surely get to die, means yasya jananam tasya maranam, means whatever is born it will sure to die. So now here the word jatani means produce, born, and vilasanti means look beautiful. So here jatani means produced, vilasanti means look beautiful. Since at your home and you have given me that, now it will die. Now the another word is there, that jagati means in this world. Yat samutpane means whatever the produce. Nashyati sarvatha dhruvam, it will definitely die. So here the word jagati means in this world whatever the produce in this world will definitely die. Now I hope you all have understand the lesson whatever I have explained. With the help of this word meaning, you all have to just read it once and understand. If any doubt is there, that we will solve in our live session. Thank you.